Alright fellas, today's topic, we're talking about how to style white pants. What's good, y'all? This is Steve from the Dapper Aristocrat. If you're new to the channel, we give you tips on how to look good, stand out, and get compliments. So if that's your goal, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new content. Now, a pair of white pants can be a very great thing when it's added to your wardrobe. But a lot of guys stay away from white pants because of the different risks that are involved with wearing white pants. But that's a different subject. Wearing white pants not only shows that you're stylish, but it also shows that you're very confident. You can dress them up and you can dress them down. So if you're a guy that's been thinking about buying a pair of white pants, today I'm going to show you a few outfit alternatives that you can choose from when wearing a pair of white pants. Now the first look that we'll check out is wearing all white everything. In this look, you see me with a pair of white denim jeans that I picked up from Levi's with a white Henley that I picked up from Target. Now having a pair of all white sneakers is a necessity when you're in the summertime, so I paired this look with a pair of Great Royals. And if you're interested in Great Royals, I'll link a video in the description and also above if you're interested. Now you don't only have to pair a white pair of pants with a white shirt. So in this look, I paired my white denim jeans with a nice black shirt that has a simple statement on it. You don't only have to wear your white jeans with a statement piece. So in this clip, you see me wearing a pair of white pants with a nice striped t-shirt. Wearing a striped shirt is a great piece in the summertime because not only does it give you variety, but it also makes you look great. Now with the same look that you just saw with the striped shirt and the white pants, you can wear a blazer with that look to kind of dress it up. This look is great for casual events if you're trying to step up your look, or if you're trying to look comfortable on a date with your lady. This is a great look as well for that type of event. With this look, you can pair with a nice pair of sneakers, or you can dress the look up with a nice pair of loafers. Now a lot of guys wear white pants in the summertime, so one look that I would recommend is pairing a pair of white pants with a nice button-up shirt that makes a statement. Now you can keep it simple, or if you're confident enough, you can pair this look with a nice colorful shirt that kind of gives you a summer feel. So in this look, you see me pairing a white pair of chinos with a button-up shirt that features orange, turquoise, white, pink, and yellow colors in it. It's more of a floral print shirt that I picked up from Banana Republic, and I paired this look with a pair of loafers. But you can also dress the look down and pair with a nice pair of white sneakers. Now if you're a guy that likes to keep it simple, you can always switch your colorful shirt with a nice solid print shirt. Wear a shirt with a simple pattern to it. In this look, I have on a pair of white pants with a nice navy blue and orange polo that I picked up from Banana Republic. Now this would be a great look for gentlemen that are more settled and more laid back and want to keep it simple. This is a great look for you. Now as you can see, white pants are great for dressing down, whether you're just going casual or semi-casual. But let's look at how white pants look if you want to dress it up. So in this look, you see me with a nice blazer that I picked up from Banana Republic, the same white trousers that you saw me in the past clips, and I wore a nice bow tie. Now I like the bow tie because it's very simple. It's not too flashy, but it still makes a nice statement. I also paired this look with a loafer, which is great in the summertime to wear loafers, but anytime loafers work out. But for you gentlemen that don't like bow ties, I included this look. This look, I wore a regular necktie, a navy blue blazer, and I wore a handkerchief that is in the same pattern as the bow tie you just saw. So very nice, classic, simple look for you gentlemen. Alright fellas, if you're a little afraid of wearing white pants, let me know why in the comment section below. So in the next video, we'll discuss how to keep your white pants clean. So if you're interested in that topic, hit the notification bell so you don't miss the video. But I'm planning on putting this video out next week sometime. Shout out to all my subscribers. Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And always remember to be a gentleman, stay dapper, and I'll see you guys next video.